Hi, welcome to all. Dear students, today we discuss e-commerce. The definition of e-commerce and the different types of e-commerce. E-commerce can be defined as the buying and selling of goods and services on the internet. It is called an e-commerce. Here, not only the buying and selling the goods, along with that, we can provide the different types of services with the help of internet. It is also called an e-commerce. There are different types of e-commerce: business to business e-commerce, business to consumer e-commerce, consumer to business e-commerce, and consumer to the consumer e-commerce. First we see what is a business to business e-commerce. It is the trading activity between the two companies or business organization using the internet or computer technology. It is the trading activities between the two organizations or companies using with the help of internet. Business organized doing business with each other, such as manufacturers selling to the distributors and wholesalers selling to the retailers. The pricing is based on the quantity of order and is often negotiable. Here, the price of the products is negotiable. In the business to business e-commerce, an enterprise's software systems conducts the transactions with another enterprise software system, and both are looked after by respective employees. This segment is driven by an extranet. There are three different types of net: intranet, extranet, and internet. To business e-commerce, we can use an extranet. The internet, intranet, and extranet we can discuss in the next chapter, that is the concept of computer network. In simple words, it is like a manufacturer selling the goods to the wholesaler or a retailer. The more popular websites using the business to business e-commerce is the IndiaMart and Alibaba. The simple diagram shows the process of how to business e-commerce happen. A wholesaler order a product with the help of a website. Whatever wholesaler ordered a product, that will be processed in business organizations or the manufacturers. Then the manufacturers, whatever product ordered by a wholesaler, those products supplies to the wholesaler. Then wholesaler will be supply the product to the retailer or customers. The different benefits of the business to business e-commerce: one is the encourage business online, import and export is easy, buyer and seller determination is easy, and trade the guides. The second one is the business to the consumer e-commerce. Business to the consumer e-commerce. Business to the consumer e-commerce, where a business firm communicates with an individual person rather than a company to sell its goods. What is meant by business to consumer e-commerce? Here, a business firm communicates with an individual person, means a customer, rather than a company to sell its goods. It means the manufacturer directly cannot sell goods to the customers or consumers. They require an intermediators, that is the business organizations. In this type of e-commerce, the relation is between consumer and a company. The consumer and a company. This form of electronic commerce is internet based with unrestricted access to the consumers. With the help of internet, we can access any type of information about the products or the companies. Some examples are the electronic modes, that is the Amazon, Flipkart, so many online websites are there or shopping websites are there. With the help of those, we can do the business to the business to the customer e-commerce. The diagram shows a customer orders a product with the help of websites. Means we are the customers, we can order the products with the help of Amazon websites. The Amazon process the orders with the help of the manufacturers or the business organizations. The manufacturers supply the products to the customers. Manufacturers supply the products to the customers, that is the business to the consumers e-commerce. Next one is the consumer to the business e-commerce. It is the reverse case of business to consumer e-commerce. In this type of e-commerce, a consumer posts his projects, needs, demands with a set of budget on the internet or website, and within the hours after that, the business organizations review the consumer's requirements, demands, type of services, and bids on the projects or demands to fulfill the consumer's needs. The consumer review the bids and select the company that will complete the project according to his or her plans. When will fulfill the customer's needs, the consumer review the bids. Which business organization is the better? We have to select the business organizations or company to complete the work according to the his or her plans. There will be a consumer to business sites on which consumers can put up an advertisements. Seeking parties will go offer goods or services with certain price or time limits and quantities. Here, customer post product or services on the websites. Then the business organizations review the customers' products, customers' services, customers' requirements. If the business organizations and customers fulfill the requirements, then business organizations pay money to the customers, and customers fulfill the business organization's requirements. It may be products or the services. Some popular websites are freelancers and Fiverr are the consumer to the business popular websites. The last one is the consumer to the consumer e-commerce. This type of e-commerce needs a moderated sites. Those help two customers conduct a business between each other. Customer to customer sites offer free classified to promote auctions and forums where individual can buy and sell their own products or services. Some websites provides a valuable service to consumers looking for jobs. Employers can advertise on these websites and potential employees can contact their organizations for the interview. Here, the business or the e-commerce in between the two customers. The more popular consumer to consumer websites are eBay, Quaker, OLX we have seen. Here the diagram represents customer 1 want to sell their products with the help of internet. Customer 1 post the products informations on websites. Customer 2 required the products whatever post by the customer 1. The customer 2 will be review the product informations on websites. If the customer 2 fulfill the requirements, he will be pay the money to the customers 1 and customer 1 send the product to the customer 2. It is the communication happen between the two customers but with the help of internet, that is called the consumer to the consumer e-commerce. The last one is the peer to peer e-commerce. Here sharing a computer related files or computer resources. With the help of internet we can share the computer resources, means a mouse, keyboard, hard disk or DVD drive, CD drive, such type of resources we can share with the help of internet. Or sharing the computer related files, whatever files you store into the computers, those softwares or files we can share with the help of internet. This is about the e-commerce and different types of e-commerce. Dear students, in next class we see the different advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce, the features of e-commerce and characteristics of e-commerce. Thank you.